got to Upper Goose Pond Cabin a couple minutes ago. Set the tent and everything up. Camping tonight. I don't know. I got to get used to setting the tent up, and from last night, my 0 day doing it, I realized not the best. I forgot that this isn't an intuitive tent. But anyways, just got here. It's like 5:30. I'm gonna go make some food, talk to the caretaker, talk to the other people around. It was just hiking in from the trailhead, nothing big. Maybe I'll record something after dinner. Just really setting in that this is real. It's been an interesting couple days. If you can't tell by the short length and the fact that this is 3 days all put together, my GoPro corrupted. I spent about 7 hours, most of my hotel stay, last night, arguing with the SD card reader that I have, unable to transfer files off the SD card. Then when I would transfer them, they couldn't be imported into my editor. Spent time trying to upload from the GoPro to the GoPro app. And then, even though it was on the app in my phone, it was still inaccessible. So then you have to export it from the app, and then that didn't work. And I looked into it, and maybe the brand new SD card somehow corrupted a file early on. But all my footage is gone on the GoPro from the last few days. So the only stuff you've been able to see is the phone. I reset the camera and I erased everything on it. So maybe the corrupted file's gone and maybe it's usable. But I'm very, very disheartened because I shot like 40 minutes of stuff over the last couple of days and it's all gone. But it's whatever. Watched a little bit, some sports, and I rested. I'm going to do some laundry in the morning. Uh, I'm going to do some laundry in the morning and then keep cracking. I'm going to do a shorter day today. I'm only planning on doing like 8 or 10 just to the first set of shelters. I think the next couple days are going to be short days. 2 18s, 17s. I really don't know how big yesterday was, but it was probably bigger than 18 with the city walking. But those 2 days back to back, my feet hurt. I hurt today, so I'm just going to get to the next shelter and call it. Yeah, have laundry to do, and I have a couple days worth of groceries to pick up.